So I was asked how to move a movie from iMovie into iCloud. Well, it turns out my iMovies are saved in my iCloud, but I haven't found a way to share a link. When I go to the share option, it doesn't really say via iCloud or link via iCloud like it does in Numbers or Pages or Keynote. And so the way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to click on the video that I have created in iMovie. You can see I already saved my theater. You could probably do this right from projects, but I just choose my video and then I go to the top right corner where you have the share option. You click on share, and what you're going to do is click on file. So what file does is it saves it onto your computer, whatever computer you're using. And when I click on file, it gives me some options. I can change the formatting, the resolution, the quality. Once I've decided what I want my video to look like, I click next and I name it and decide where I want to save it. So I am going to do onto my desktop just for now, and I'm going to hit save. And so this is going to take a few minutes. You're going to see up here there's a circle as it starts to fill in. It's a fairly short video, so it shouldn't take that long. But I already did this, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my photos. And so this is the next step. Go to Photos and open up your photos. When you save it on your desktop, I don't have it set up where it's directly going into my photos. And so what I want to do is import it into my photos. So the video is done sharing, or you can see it's saved in my photos. I'm going to go to File, Import. So I click on Import, and I choose on my desktop the video. I found it, and now I click Review for Import. And so I've already done this video before, so it's going to tell me that I'm basically importing a duplicate. But if you're doing it for the first time, you won't see that message. I'm going to click on Import anyway. And so you see the video shows up right away. And now I have one more step to do. Once I have imported my video into Photos, I need to share it into iCloud, but in iCloud photo sharing. So I click on my video that I have imported into Photos. Again, I go to the share button, and so I click on share, and now I see iCloud photo sharing. Once I've chosen iCloud photo sharing, it's going to ask me to create a new shared album. You can see I've done it a couple times, but I'm just going to create a new one. And this is practice number 2. And so when I click on create, it takes a few minutes. Over here on the left-hand side where I see my shared albums, if I click on practice number 2, it takes a few minutes. Again, that circle has to fill in completely. And so this process takes a few minutes. I'm just going to go to one that I've already completed. That way you can see what to do next. Now I click on practice. I click on the video, and this is my last step. So once I choose the video in my shared album, I'm going to find where it says people. So instead of share, this time I'm going to people. I click on people, and now I have to choose or check off public website. So I'm going to check off public website, and this gives me a link that I can now use to share this album publicly or to email a link to someone who may not have iCloud share access to this. If I don't want to add their name in here, I can share it with anybody through this link.